Cynful honey mustard pork chops. We're going to start by making the honey mustard sauce. It's a little bit of a barbecue sauce. We're going to use mayonnaise, mustard, some honey, salt, smoked paprika, a little bit of dill, and stir all of that up. Now this makes a great dipping sauce on its own, or a salad dressing. Now we're going to add the ketchup. We're going to kind of head it towards the barbecue side now. A little bit of chili powder, some liquid smoke. I did the hickory kind. And this is Texas Whiskey Glaze. This is a Fischer and Wiezer product. I'm going to add some of that to it. I'll put the link to that in the description. Stir that all up. Now we're going to do the marinade for the pork chops. We're starting out with about a cup of Coca-Cola. A little bit of teriyaki sauce. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce. Some spicy brown mustard. We're going to stir all of that up. Get it nice and combined. Add the pork chops. We're going to marinate these for anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour in that. Now we're going to do the dry rub for the pork chops. Mix all that together. Those are all those dry seasonings. I'm going to put our pork chops from the marinade right into that rub and get it nice and coated. And then just drop it right into the oil. We're going to cook those to the nice golden brown and delicious on one side. I do cover them. Usually try to keep that steam in and help cook them. And once they're brown, we're going to flip them over. Now we want to temp these to 145 internal temperature. If you don't quite have it in the frying, you can put it in the oven and finish it there. About a 300 degree oven. So I have a link to a printable PDF file in the description. But here's your recipe anyway. I would like to thank you guys for joining me in my kitchen today for these wonderful honey mustard pork chops. Please like and subscribe, and as always, have an awesome day.